In this video, let me show you how you can refund your games on Steam. First, open a Steam desktop app and make sure you already logged into the account you want to refund the game. Next, go to your profile located on the top right of your screen. Click on Account Details, so it pop up on your profile. Now on your profile page, scroll to the Store and Purchase History section. Next, look for View Purchase History and click on View Purchase History to see a list of your recent game and item purchases. Select the game you want to refund, and once you've clicked it, choose the refund option. You'll be taken to a quick form where you'll explain why you're requesting a refund. Once submitted, Steam usually processes refunds within 14 days. That's it, simple and straightforward. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.